Okay, so here's the 10-watt solar panel. I'm going to turn it over and have a look at what's inside the junction box. So opening up the junction box, waterproof junction box, and what's inside is a diode. And that diode is to stop the electricity from flowing back through the panel at night. So during the day, the panel produces electricity, puts it into the battery, and if there's no diode there at night, when the panel's not producing electricity, it would flow out from the battery. So here you see, that's the diode. So this is a fuse, 1 amp fuse, another safety device. Great, now we'll show you how easy it is to put it back in the car. Very easy to install it. Plug it in, it's done. There, it'll be charging your battery now. If you want, you put it on top of the roof, get the maximum amount of power out of it. Or if not, you could just put it on the dashboard as well. This is a 10-watt panel, gives plenty of power for trickle charging a battery like this.